Okay, our next topic is spherical lens. So we have read about plane mirror, spherical mirror. Now let's discuss about lenses. So what is a lenses? It is a transparent object. In mirror, one side is reflecting one and another was blocked. Light cannot pass through them. Okay? When the lenses, it is a transparent object or material by which light can pass through. Most of the lenses is used to magnify the object size. So you must be have used magnifying glass in which you can see the letters or any object in the enlarged form or magnifying images. So it is used, mostly it is used, the lenses are used in spectacles, magnifying glasses, microscope or telescope. So telescope, you will see the far object things. Okay. In the microscope, we are seeing the smaller, very smaller objects under the microscope, and we can visible the each and every part in the larger view. So these are the uses. So it is a transparent object. It is mostly used in the magnifying. It is mostly used to magnify the image of the object, and it is used in the spectacle, magnifying glass, microscope, and telescope. So there are two type of lenses. So let's discuss this two type of lenses. So as the mirror also, spherical mirror two types, convex and concave. So here also two type of lenses, convex and concave. Okay. So let's discuss first about convex lens. Convex lens. So how this convex lens is going to be visible? I'm going to draw the image for this. So this is the image of convex lens. So in the convex lens, you can see the end part is thin, and the middle part is thick. If you touch any lens and you can find that middle portion is thicker and the end one is thinner, so that is must be a convex lens. Okay. So now let's discuss about what type of images formed by this convex lens. So actually the images formed by the plane mirror, concave mirror, convex mirror, that is fixed type of. But here in the convex lens, we are going to find the type of images depending upon the object distance. If in this lens, in the phone camera, there is from there to me, I am in the very nearer position, so there the image is going to be different. If I am going to be stand in very far away from the lens, my image should be different. So convex lens will going to show you the different images types depending upon the position of the objects. So depending on the position of the image, if it is near object is nearer to lens. If the object is placed nearer to the convex lens, so you find what type of image? You will find virtual and magnified image. So the magnifying glass in which I am using, that is giving you virtual and magnifying image, because you are using to see any letters by using the magnifying glass. You are placing that to very nearer to the object. So you will find this type of image. If the object is very far away, means if I say I am going to focus the mountains. I am in my garden or I am in my home and I want to focus a far distance tree or far distance mountain in my lens. So what I am going to find it is very far away from my lens. So I am going to find out far away the image. The image will be image will be small or very small, means diminished, very very small and inverted and real. This is virtual, magnified, and it is erect image. And this is what away. If the object is away from the lens, the image will be small, inverted, and real. Okay. And if the object is nearer to the lens, the image will be magnified, erect, and virtual. So it's depending on the position of the object, the lens will produce different type of image characteristics. This is all about the convex lens. So convex lens, one activity is there in your NCERT book about that, focusing the sun ray in a magnifying glass on a paper. Okay. So let's discuss about that activity. So this is a paper. This is a paper. Magnifying glass. Okay, and this is your sun. So sun ray are coming to this. So what happened, you know? So sun ray is going to be passed through this, and they are going to focus in a single point in the paper. So this is actually what magnifying glass is, your convex lens. Convex lens. So here the sun is in the very far away from us. We can say it is an infinity. So the rays are coming from all the direction, and all the direction of sun ray can be focused by the convex lens and fall on paper at the particular point, and this starts burning. So here you can easily find out. So it is a magnifying glass which is going to focus at a particular point. From this activity you can know, okay, the sun is in the very infinite, in a very far away from us, and all the light is coming from all directions. But this convex lens try to help us to focus all the ray at a single point. That's why this is used for magnifying ones. In the magnifying one, it will going to be focused at a particular point and make it enlarge. Also, convex lens are used in the specs when some people having problem for the far sightness, means दूर की चीज उनको दिखाई नहीं देती है. So in that time they are using a convex lens so that they can focus on the very far away objects. As sun is very far away from us, but its the rays can be focused by the convex lens. The same way, the people having any दूर की दृष्टि जिसकी खराब होती है, so they are using the convex lens spec so that they can see the far object clearly. So this is about the convex lens activity. Let's move to the concave lens. So concave lens do not depend upon any position. Okay. Concave lens. So it is do not depend upon any position. So what type of images is formed by this? Let's see. So first let's see what is concave lens. Okay, let me erase this one properly so that I can draw. So concave lens, how this concave lens is visible to us? So it is just opposite of convex lens. Thick at the end and thin at the middle. So remember the concave, convex one, thick at the middle, thin at the end. Yeah, just opposite, thick at the end, thin at the middle. You're going to touch any lens and you can feel the middle portion is thinner than that of the end. So it is a concave lens. So concave lens, it is the image formed by concave lens is not depend upon the object distance or position. If it is a concave lens, the image is character of image is virtual, upright and straight होता है, it's not inverted, and it is of small, or you can say small is also called diminished. Okay, so concave lens, this is the lens structure, and virtual, upright, small, but convex, the real and virtual both images forming, the small and magnifying both images are forming in the convex one, but in the concave it is fixed. Okay, so this is all about the lenses, concave lens and convex lens. So next class we will read about the spectrum of light or dispersal. I hope you understand about the lens properly. Thank you.